So, hello everyone, this is Adrish, and today's topic is why should you earn money? So, basically, since your childhood, you probably hear this type of things that you have to score well in your examination because if you don't get good marks, then you don't get a good job in your future. So they actually trying to educate you because of you got a good job in your future. They are not wrong, but they don't tell you the ultimate reason that why they told you that get a good marks is important. So they told you to get a good marks because of they think that if you get a good marks, then you got a good job. And the most generic way to define a good job is the amount of salary that the job gives you. So if you got a good salary from any job, then this job is good, and this is the most generic way, and this is good, this is not bad. But the problem is they don't tell you that the ultimate reason of your education is to earn money since your childhood. This is not because they don't know the reason. This is because they actually don't want to share this thing with you, because they think that if you know this thing, then you don't focus on your study and you trying to earn money. So that's the problem which I feel that with your study since your childhood, you're trying to do anything by which you can generate actual money. So when you're trying to do this, then you realize that making money is not so tough and making money is not so easy. Like, then you actually realize that how to talk with pupils, what are their actual problems, and how you actually do anything for them to earn money. So along with your study, you should start earn money. So if you watch this video, then I can think that you are mature enough to realize the importance of money. So if you are aware that what is the importance of money, then you should try to earn money. I don't tell you any ways to earn money, because this is your task, that what is the thing that you good and you can actually sell it. So if you tell me that what is the actual meaning of education for me, then I tell you that education is the pillar of your whole life. It's give you the strong foundation, but only the foundation is not enough to build a house. Because if you look at any building, you see that there are pillars that are the actual foundation of the house, but there is not just the pillar in house. There are bricks, there are walls, there are paints, and all those things that's are important to make a house good looking. So education are the pillars which helps you to think, which helps you to create. But education is not the ultimate thing, because you see that many educated person are not satisfied in their lives. So education is important, but along with education, the other most important thing, which is as equivalent important as education, that earning money, earning actual money. Try to create product or service that actually helps people, because when you trying to earn money, then you faces actual problems, actual circumstances that helps you to think how to think.